Buying a house can be stressful, but you made this a fun and exciting journey for me and my brother Greg.
Thanks, Wes. I'm Robin Smith.
And I'm Randy Smith, and we're the Desert Smith Real Estate Group with Home Smart Professionals.
We've been turning La Quinta and desert area home buyers and home sellers into happy advocates for over 15 years. Buying or selling a home can be daunting and complicated, causing many to be reluctant to even begin the process.
That's where we come in. We remove the uncertainty and fear, and as Wes mentioned in his comments, turn it into a fun and exciting journey.
Let us put our knowledge, experience, service, and professionalism to work for you.
We manage the process from start to finish and make your role as a buyer or seller easy and enjoyable. With over 93% of home buyers and home sellers using the internet for real estate purposes, it's clear that internet marketing is the driving force to a completed sale. We utilize all cutting-edge tools and technology to ensure successful real estate transactions.
Our desert paradise is a resort destination wonderland with sunshine year-round, world-class golfing and tennis, and some of the country's best restaurants, entertainment, and attractions. We are the key that opens all of that for you.
Selling your current home or buying a new one is our team's primary objective.
And by working together, we'll find you the perfect property or get you the highest dollar possible for your home. Again, we are Robin Smith
and Randy Smith, the Desert Smith Real Estate Group. We make it easy.
Call us today.